Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in the area of the nutrition and skeletal research. And during last 7 years, I'm working in the pharmaceutical industry. In this channel, I talk about healthy living from all angles: nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and little things which we can and we do in our life to have happier, healthier, and longer life. Then, if you are passionate about healthy living and nutrition and delicious food, and you want to live your life to fullness, you may want to subscribe to this channel and put that notification bell, please. In this video, I want to share with you the experience in third day of 29-day trip which we took in the Queensland. We drive from Dickey Beach to Noosa. Noosa is a beautiful town and has a lot of site and activity you can do in this town, and I highly recommend to go and visit if you haven't. However, when we got there, the weather wasn't the best condition. It was overcast, a bit coolish, and we was getting shy off and on. And on top of it, it was a long weekend, and there's a lot of people from all around that came to that town, and it was quite crowded. Therefore, we decided only to stay one night, and we stayed one of the campground. These 29 days trips, I try to combine three things which I love every day if I can. The first one was to be active through and close to nature, which is through the hiking or swimming or something like that, to eat a healthy and delicious food. And the thirdly was fishing. Three things which I love, and I try to incorporate it in every spot we camp along the way. And in the end, I want to share with you an important life lesson inspired by a beautiful, powerful quote by James Clear. James Clear, if you don't know, is a writer of a famous book, Atomic Habits. We are in the Noosa river speed, and we were gonna go for a bit of fishing. It's not bad weather. Move back. I'm gonna go one with the lures and one with a bit of mullet and see what we can catch. Let's hope we can catch some nice fish.
อยู่ไหน We are in the Noosa tonight. It's the third day after our trip, 29 days trip. And this afternoon, despite all of the rain and not such a pleasant weather, we did a bit of fishing for, I think it was 2 hours. We caught 3 good size or legal size bream, and we have it tonight. Basically what we did, a bit of onion, garlic and ginger, fresh all, we bought it from shop, and added a bit of turmeric, fennel and paprika with olive oil, and then add the fish, slightly fry them. Then we add coconut cream and add some vegetable, capsicum and broccolini, and with the brown rice we're gonna have it.
This whole experience in that day reminds me an important life lesson about mental toughness. When we're thinking about mental toughness, we mainly thinking about we have to achieve big goals and go to a lot of pain and just get to cross line, and we're thinking of always the best scenario possible. But as James Clear, beautifully quoted in one of his email, which I put it for your interest in the description down below. He mentioned mental toughness is not always about grinding and going to the pain and getting to the cross line. I'm going to read the last part of it for you. Most day, mental toughness isn't about crossing the finish line. It is about to the starting line. Show up when no one is watching. Keep eye on the ball and do a little bit every day. Mental toughness is not skipping the days that are easy to skip. When that day I saw the weather and I was thinking I have plenty other days which better weather and better chance to fish, I could not fishing. But I said to myself, I planned to do fishing if I can. And there is no reason I can't do a bit of fishing. And I went out and I did it. If I didn't, I was lucky, I caught few fish. But if I didn't catch any fish, I was doing still things I thought is good for me and for my health, practicing being present, and I was close to the nature. Therefore, still I was a bit closer to my goal to have a better and healthier life. And hopefully all of us, we have to think the same. There is never just perfect conditions, and sometimes we delay things to do, but sometimes a little bit, and when we don't feel like to do or not everything align, doesn't matter. We have to try to do something towards our goal, which is in that case is improving our health and well-being. Therefore, I hope this story and this quote inspire you as well to try every day to take a little steps towards improving your health and well-being and enjoy life a bit more. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend as well. And if you want to prepare this food, if you're lucky to have fresh food, we bought it or catch, Please tell me what you found this recipe. I'm really looking forward to your comment as well. But please, share it with me. It's encouraged me to just making better quality and more videos for your viewer. I want to thank you again for giving your time, and up to next video I want to just say goodbye. Please keep active, eat healthy food, and be curious. Bye for now.